This is a rivet tool. It is super effective for joining metal sheets sa mga angle bars or sa mga channels. Super handy at kadalasan, mura po siya. But, and this is a big but, it takes a long time to execute its job. And because it takes so long, minsan nakakangalay na rin po siyang gamitin. So of course, Milwaukee had to make a sexier version. Oh, diba? Sobrang sexy, no? This bad boy rivets in literally a second. You can also rivet different types of sizes using these, and you can use it 250 times before the battery runs out. Perfect na sana to. But the reality is, this isn't for everyone. For starters, mabigat po to sa bulsa. A full set with 2 batteries, 1 charger, and 1 hard case is set at 16,000 plus pesos. But we offer additional discount. And this, well, it's only 400 plus pesos. Second, it's not as lightweight. So essentially,
nakakangalay din to.
kung DIYer ka lang, this is probably not for you. This tool is more suited for those that spend hours, days, or even weeks ripping the out of materials such as contractors. Kasi in the long run, makakatipid kayo sa labor cost at syempre, mas mapapabilis ang trabaho nyo. But the question is, would you buy this? Thank you guys so much for watching, and this has been brought to you by GLI for you. Ready, set, start. Did it work? Is it the side? Okay. Oh my god. This isn't gonna be a fair fight. It needs to be a guy. Okay, I'm getting a guy to do it. Sir J. Okay, wait lang. Okay.